Hello technology lovers, welcome to our video review of the best mirrorless cameras of 2024. If you're looking for the perfect mirrorless camera for your next photo or video project, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll review the most popular and high-performance models of the year, so be sure to watch this video before you make a camera purchase. First up, we start with the Sony Alpha A7RV. This camera offers exceptional resolution with its 61MP full-frame sensor. It's an ideal option for those who want to take high-resolution photos and detailed videos. It's also capable of shooting 8K video and has a high dynamic range, so you can get excellent results for your video projects. The advanced autofocus system ensures accurate and fast focusing with 693 phase detection points. Real-time tracking helps you capture even moving subjects with precision. Plus, the 5-axis and body image stabilization system ensures sharp images, so you can keep shake to a minimum even in low light conditions. The Sony Alpha A7RV also offers high-capacity storage with dual SD card slots, so you don't have to worry about changing memory cards even during long shoots. Plus, with Sony's advanced Bionz XR processor, you get fast and efficient performance in both still and video shooting. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities let you instantly share your footage and control your camera remotely. Our next camera is the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Its 24.2MP full-frame sensor delivers excellent detail and color accuracy. It delivers high-quality video footage at 4K resolution and 10-bit 422 internal recording, making it an ideal choice for professional video projects. Fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AFI system with eye detection makes it easy to focus. 12 FPS mechanical and 20 FPS electronic shutter speeds help you capture even fast-moving subjects clearly. Canon's ergonomic design and user-friendly interface ensure comfort even during long shooting sessions. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II also features high ISO sensitivity for excellent performance even in low light conditions. Whether you're shooting at night or working indoors, you'll always get crisp, bright images. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections allow you to easily share your footage and synchronize your camera with your mobile devices. Plus, it's compatible with Canon's RF lens series, allowing you to choose from a wide range of lenses. The Nikon Z9 features a 45.7MP full-frame sensor for high-resolution stills and video. With the ability to shoot 8K video and record 4K 120p high frame rate video, you can achieve professional results in your video projects. 493 phase detection points and advanced face and eye detection ensure perfect autofocus. Plus, 20 FPS electronic and 10 FPS mechanical shutter speeds ensure that even fast-moving scenes are captured clearly. The rugged construction of this camera ensures reliable performance even in harsh conditions. The Nikon Z9 is also dust and water resistant, making it safe for outdoor shooting. With a large and bright electronic viewfinder, this camera allows you to clearly see every detail in your shots. Thanks to its high-capacity battery, you'll never run out of power, even during long shooting sessions. Plus, with Nikon's N-Log and HLG support, you can perform professional-level color correction. Finally, we have the Panasonic Lumix GH6. Its 25.2MP MFT sensor offers good balance, allowing you to capture clear and detailed photos. 4K 60p video capture and 10-bit 422 video recording provide high-quality solutions for your video projects. 5-axis dual IS, 2-image stabilization technology ensures high stability even when shooting on the move. The contrast detection AF system delivers fast and precise focusing, ensuring reliable performance in all kinds of still and video shooting. The Panasonic Lumix GH6 also delivers excellent performance even in low light conditions with its high dynamic range. Its ergonomic design and lightweight construction ensure comfort even during long shooting sessions. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities allow you to instantly share your footage and control your camera remotely. Plus, it's compatible with Panasonic's wide range of lenses, making your shooting even more flexible. Here are the best mirrorless cameras of 2024. Each model has its own strengths and unique features. If you liked our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Tell us which camera is your favorite in the comments and stay tuned for more tech reviews. See you in our next video. Bye.